Lipids are the constituents of plant and animal tissue which are insoluble in water but soluble in solvents of low polarity like chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, ether or benzene. Lipids are classified into three different groups. The first type is the simple lipids or the triglycerides. These are esters or triesters rather of glycerol and fatty acids, which are long chain fatty acids. These triesters are also called glycerides. This is the glycerol unit and this is the acid unit, and there are three such acid units present. Now if the acid is palmitic acid, then the glyceride is called tripalmitin. Here the alkyl group is C15H31, and as it is a saturated acid, the triglyceride formed is a solid at room temperature and is called a fat. If the fatty acid is oleic acid, then the triglyceride will be called triolein. The alkyl group will be C17H33, which is unsaturated. The glyceride will be a liquid at room temperature and is called an oil. Fatty acids are the major source of energy in the cell. The second group of lipids are waxes. These are esters of higher fatty acids with long chain monohydric alcohols. Waxes are used to make cosmetics, shoe polish, candle, wax and ointments. The third group of lipids are the phospholipids. In phospholipids, two hydroxyl groups of glycerol are esterified with higher fatty acids, while the third OH group is esterified with some derivative of phosphoric acid. The derivative of phosphoric acid contains an alcoholic compound, and that may be choline, as in the case of lecithin, or it may be ethanolamine or serine. Phospholipids are the chief components of cell membranes. In cell membranes, phospholipids form a double layer with the phosphate ester groups lying on the outside and interacting with the aqueous medium, and the non-polar ends lying towards the interior. The cell membrane has several important functions. It keeps the contents of the cell in place, it protects the cell from mechanical injury and shock, and is also responsible for cell-to-cell recognition. It's got certain receptors for enzymes, hormones and other biological substances.